In this video, I will show you how to solve Amazon KDP paperback cover in interior issues. So as you see here, earlier on I was having this issue. Let me just show you an example. You see, when I upload the cover, I'm getting this red triangle warning, and you see that they are indicating that some of the content is lying outside the range. And I was able to solve the cover issue. And the next problem I had was that the interior was not falling within the line. And so previously, when you come and you check the book interior, you see that some of these are lying outside the line. Okay, so it was giving me issues, but I have been able to work it out, and everything has now been solved. As you see here, I can approve. As you see here, I can now approve it. So now let me take you through a step-by-step process of how to solve Amazon KDP paperback issues. Now, first of all, when it comes to the book interior content, the problem I have noticed is that most people may not even choose the right size for the book. So in order to know the right size and not to choose a wrong size, that will later cause problems for you. Come to your book in Word. So let's say when you open the book content in Word, you go to, so typically this is Word, so you go to layout. Okay, so when you go to layout, you click on the size and you check here. So as you see here, it is A5, and A5 have different there are even custom A5 sizes that may not exactly be this, but the one we are using is what, 5.3 times 8.2 inches, 5.83 times 8.27. so make sure that whichever size you are using, when you come to the book interior, make sure that that is chosen. Okay, when you come to the book interior, make sure that that is chosen. So after you have chosen that as the size, then the next one I want you to look at is the cover. So for the cover, you can go to this particular page, this one, Amazon cover calculator. So when you come to the cover calculator, when you select the type of book you want to calculate, you have the paperback. You select the interior type, whether it is so let's say I select this one. So when you come here, whether it is what, black and white or premium color or standard color, then the paper type, everything. When you follow and you are done, and you put a number of pages too, and then you calculate the dimensions, you are going to get something like this. They will give you a breakdown, something like what you are seeing here. Okay, then also let me show you this one. After you get something like this, you will also be given a template. The template will look like this, and you will have to design the cover to lie within that red line they are giving you. In fact, between you see a line in the middle of the broad red line. You see that there is another thin line in the middle. The thin line in the middle, you must make sure that your book cover design does not go outside that thin line. Okay, so you now redesign it. After you redesign it, and then you come, there's another thing that I have noticed. Sometimes, to whether you select no bleed or bleed, you see this particular book interior, if I have selected no bleed, this particular one will give me issues and they will never approve it. But because I selected that there is bleed, it has been approved easily. So that is another thing. So whether you select bleed or no bleed, and the exact color, the exact book size, and the calculating the cover using the Amazon cover calculator, these are the three most important issues. If you select the right size, you select there is bleed in case the book has content outside the trim line. Then lastly, if you calculated the right cover size, then you'll be rest assured that your book will be approved. Now you go ahead. So let's submit it. So I have approved it. So you see, now I don't have any issue here. So I can now go to so this is the part I was talking about. This part, make sure you select that one, that is bleed. If you actually your book has content that may be getting to the binding, the part where the book will be binded, the corner. Okay, yes. So and then this is the place where you choose the trim size. Make sure everything is chosen properly. When you are done with that, you can just click on what, save and continue. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye bye.